The moment we've been waiting for, it's here. So a little while back, I made a video about how to get Netflix for free. It got a lot of views, it got a lot of likes, also got a lot of dislikes. So in that video, I explained how you can get Netflix for free by signing up to a Crypto.com Visa card. Now, in that video, I go into a little bit about what the Visa card is, but this is finally arrived. We're going to do a little bit of an unboxing of this Crypto.com card, and we're going to see what actually happens. How does this process actually work? This video is going to be made up in 2 parts. You're going to have to come back later in the month to see what's happened to my balance. Here we go, my first ever unboxing video. So the first thing I was pretty excited about is doing that. The first thing I was pretty excited about is the package that it came in. Because usually you get rubbish letters and your credit card's just stuck to a piece of paper and it's a bit lame. So this one is pretty cool. Let's see what kind of noise it makes. Ready? Oh, average noise. Okay, so what have we got in here? We've got another box to open. Little letter from the founder. Simple ask, if our product works for you, tell your friends. Nothing helps driving adoption better than real-world utility and a chat about it with a few good friends. Well, friends, let's have a little chat about it. Let's see how we actually use it. Okay, that is a pretty cool card and it is metal. Let's see if we can pop it out. Oh, it's heavy. It's heavy. Let's do the drop test. Oh, that is chunky. That is so cool. I love this. And then on the back is called card details. Here we are in the future, which is obviously now the present, having skipped forward in time. I've been using this card for about 5 months now, and I absolutely love it. I mean, as much as you can love a debit card. Sure, it has some issues, but who doesn't?
You know it's both personal and sentimental? Diamonds.
Let's have a little bit of a review of how it's going and how it works. Once you sign up with the app and go through KYC, which is Know Your Customer, you get your digital card immediately, which means you can start using it straight away online. You can then order your physical card. Pro tip, order a metal one. They are the coolest. Essentially, the Crypto.com Visa card is a top-up card that you can use anywhere Visa is accepted. More on that later. Just like you did with your university lunch card back in the day, you top it up with money from your bank and then you spend it on whatever you like, usually cereal. There are different tiers of cards. I'll just put some of the benefits up on the screen right now. Tell you what is not one of the benefits, people thinking you're cool because you've got a Crypto.com card. Of all the places I've used it so far, only one person has actually recognized it. Nobody cares. You'll just have to be content with you knowing that you're the cool one yourself for having one of these cards.
I'm the cool dad, that's my thing.
You can either top it up from a credit or debit card, or if you already have some crypto in your Crypto.com wallet, you can use that. There is a fee if you use a credit card, but it's waived for the first 30 days, and there's no fee at all if you use your debit card. You just do this. So you click on Crypto.com, you click on card, you click on top up, you click on credit card if that's what you want to do. You select the card, select amount, click top up, and hey presto, there it is. Job done. Simple.
Cashback.
This is one of my favorite bits. You get 2% cashback with every purchase. So over the last 120 days, I've amassed enough cashback to buy my first NFT and an extra £86.06. So let's take a little look at what the cashback looks like in the app. So in order to get this debit card, you need to stake £300 worth of CRO, which essentially means you put £300 into an account that you can't access for 180 days. And then at the end of the 180 days, you can unstake it and get your CRO back and turn it back into pounds. The only issue is that the value fluctuates. Well, how much does it fluctuate? Let's have a little look. It looks good over the last 8 hours, not so good over the last day, up for the week, down over the last 3 months. And the one that I enjoy looking at is the 6-month time period. I actually bought in on October the 12th when the price was just 14 British pence per CRO. And over the next 6 weeks, I watched my balance go up and up until it was worth 5x what I bought in at. If I was able to, I would have actually unstaked at this point and locked in some profits. But unfortunately, I was not able to do that. I watched it fall back to what it is today, around 30 pence. Still double what I bought in at, and I could claim it was my incredible knowledge that I got in early, but I think it was more fortunate than that. I wouldn't say blind luck. I do research different crypto projects and put some money in where I think there's potential. And over the next few months, 18 months maybe, I think crypto is going to go sideways, and then after that I think we'll see another bull run, and long term I think crypto's got a massive potential. But hey, what do I know? So if we have a little look at the cashback screen, we can see here all the cashback that I've got back over the last few months. We've got cashback here of 0.84 CRO. We've got a cashback here of 5.3 CRO. That's the Butchers and Sainsbury's today. And obviously that has a pound value which changes over time. And then we can see down here we've got our Spotify rebate, which is absolutely fantastic. Speaking of which, another massive bonus is Spotify free. Every month you spend $9.99 on Spotify Premium, and you get reimbursed the same day. See, we've got $9.99 goes out, and $9.69 goes in. Essentially your dollar cost averaging into CRO and getting Spotify for the privilege of doing it. It's a really great way of getting started with crypto at a small scale so that you can get used to the way things work. How reliable is it? Generally, it's pretty good. I've been able to use it comfortably in 95% of places. There are 1 or 2 places where the card has actually been declined. And usually when it gets declined, it's because I've forgotten to top it up. Another pro tip, if you're going to IKEA, make sure you top up before you get into the shop, because inside there's no signal, at least in Cardiff. When I was there recently, I was well annoyed because I had to go to the front of the store to top up, and by the time I'd gotten back, my wife had already paid with another card. That's £3.40 cashback I'll never see again. Gutted. Other places I haven't been able to use it are I haven't been able to add it to Apple Pay, and I can't use the Better app. There have been a few niche places where I haven't been able to use it online, like a random leisure centre in Oxford. And then you've got the problem of paying at a petrol pump. So what happened was I paid £40 for my petrol. I had a receipt for £40, but the card said that I had spent £75. So I did have a little bit of an issue with that, but it all sorted itself out. I did a little bit of research on this and I found out that topping up from petrol stations can be a little bit of an issue at times. Every time I've contacted customer support, they have been really helpful. They've been really quick to reply, and I've been able to sort out all of my problems in a reasonably quick amount of time with no fuss. So it's been excellent. I do recommend their customer support. Well, that leaves us with one more question that still needs to be answered. Can you use it to get cash out? And do you get cash back on that? I don't know, so it's time to find it. Come on, let's go. Right. It's raining, but gotta get this video done. Things I do for you guys. Let's go and get some cash. Right, so the first cash point I went to is gonna charge me for taking money out. I hate that. I hate that. So I'm gonna walk an extra 0.1 miles. It's actually gonna be 0.2, I suppose, there and back to get a free one. There's some money saving tips for you. Right, so we've made it to the cash point. Here we go. Darn it. Hair and specs are getting wetter and wetter, but we found another cash point. Obviously not going to show you my pin. Just waiting. Still have the option, cash. Let's go for £20. Don't know how much you're going to charge me. I think it's going to work. It actually worked. Collect my receipt. There we go. So there we go. Does it work to get cash out? Yes, it does. Has it cost me anything? We'll see. I'll have to find out now. Should we get dry first? See you at home. Oh, and by the way, whilst I'm thinking about it, if you sign up with my link below, you and I can both get $25 free worth of Crow if you sign up to get a Ruby Steel card. So don't forget to do that. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Now, let's get home. Wow, I really did get quite wet there. Let's have a little look at the app to see if we got any cashback on our cash. Cashback on our cash. Ooh, things are looking better for Crow than they were this morning. Up 2% almost. Okay, so there we go. We can see the ATM money has gone out, and let's see if there is any cashback that we've got on that. No. I guess that kind of makes sense. It would be a bit silly if we could just top up money, take it out as cash, and then get cash back on it. It'd be like an infinite money glitch where we can keep getting cash back. It'd just be a bit silly. So I can see why they wouldn't do that. But something did occur to me. It does actually seem to be the most straightforward way of actually turning your crypto into cash. So if you've got any crypto, you can put it into the wallet. You can use that crypto to top up your debit card. And then once it's topped up, you can just withdraw it as cash. So easy, easy, easy to go from crypto to cash. That's all I got. Peace out.